Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome back to Factorio. My name, of course, is Open Potato, and yeah, you're watching Operation Mega Factory. I hope you're doing fine, because I'm doing pretty darned good. Now, going down this line here, it looks like pretty much we've got some pretty minor iron supply problems. Yeah, obviously the steel area is not getting as much iron as it should be. That's pretty clear to me. However, it looks like everywhere else is getting more than enough iron. So as soon as this area starts to back up with iron, we should see more going through to the steel processing area. So that is a consolation at least. And something that we've got to be grateful for. However, I would ideally like to be processing more iron if we could be. Although it looks like we're already processing almost the max from this area. I mean, I think the only thing left for us to do is stick more mines on, or connect more mines to a belt. I think that's probably one of our only options. But you know, as I say, we're in an okay situation at the moment. How are we doing for power? Let me check that. Well, I actually have something very important to do today. I say very important. It's relatively important. And that is to sort out our, what is that? Galena. Never heard of it. I might actually can we place down? Oh, we actually can. Let's do that just so we can mine it up and you know, get it out of the way. Okay, that can go there, and we will have... Oh, there we go. Boom. Awesome. Oh, what is that? Nickel ore and lead ore. Well, fair enough. That's awesome. Anyway, what was I going to do? I was going to do something really, really important. And the really, really important thing was actually making this dirty water into clean water. Now, in my last playthrough, we did sort of experiment with doing that, and there are a couple of methods of going about that. We may not have researched it yet. Well, I guess we know what we're researching then. Yeah, so there's a couple of ways I think that we can process water. You know, there's a couple of mods installed, so there are upgraded pumps. No, that's not it. Fluid handling, that's not it either. Electrolysis, no. Chemical processing, no. Water bore, clean water, that could potentially be one of them. Water cleaning. So, yeah, so we've got water bore and we've got water cleaning. I think water cleaning is what we need to research this. So, what am I talking about? Water cleaning is what we need to actually turn water into the right type of water to feed the furnaces, if that makes sense. I'm pretty sure it does. Yeah, it makes sense in my head anyway, and I'm pretty sure you guys understand it because you're a bunch of clever clogs. Okay, so liquid handler. Let us try and make that. Where would it be? Ditech machines. Oh my goodness, I guessed it. I'm so right. We need stone, we need wood, and we need iron. All of those are very, very achievable. If we go down here, then we can get some off the belt. Stone is a little bit of a scarcity at the moment. It's in a little bit of a short supply, I hate to say. And we need a buttload of stone. Yeah, we need like 160 stone, and we've only got 95. Yikes! Not good at all. But it's okay. We'll sort that out in time. Okay, that's good. Got enough iron. Now we just need wood, or we just need circuit boards. No, we've already got tons of circuit boards, so I guess we just need plain wood. Well, let's go and get some plain wood then. It's been a while since I've needed just plain wood. We need 19 and a half. 19 and a half. Don't know why I clicked it there, because I quite clearly did not have all the ingredients. Okay, keep on chopping wood down. What are we on now? We're on 12. Yeah, that's not going to be enough, unfortunately. You know, it is a little bit annoying. Wood is in a little bit of a short supply, I must say, apart from the wood that we actually fabricate on the base, or on the factory, should I say. And you know, that is because we use explosive termites, and I have absolutely no regrets with that. It looks freaking awesome, and I love it to bits. It is so cool. But at the same time, it's slightly problematic. And it's problematic because you know, we now have no trees around us. Okay, we can make one liquid handler. Let us lock and load. Let's do it. Okay, I suppose we could have actually just grabbed some wood from a fabrication machine, like over there, for example. I mean, they've all got 200 in anyway. But that's fine. We just manually chopped it down. I'm okay with that. That's cool. Something that we could actually do is we could upgrade all of this belt here, and that I think that would make it so that all of these furnaces got access to the iron ore, and it would just increase our processing speed a little bit. In fact, I probably will endeavor to try and do that. Pick up some more iron plates. That was copper plates, but whatever. Oh wow, we've got a lot of iron plates now. That's good enough for me. Okay, we'll make some fast transport belt because we can, I suppose. And this liquid handler is still building on my person, so come on, get it done. Get it done. Okay, so yeah, at the moment it looks like these guys are getting, you know, 10 out of 10 dirty water, but yeah, 10 out of 10. Unfortunately, it's just not working because you know, obviously the performance is not as large as it could be. So a liquid handler, we've got one. So if I put it in, where would I put it in? Where should I put it in? Like over here? There? And I don't really want to make these pipes above ground, but I will if I have to. Okay, cancel making belts for now. Pipes are more important. Okay, so that goes there. That goes there. Yeah, there's no way that we can avoid doing this above ground, but that's okay. I'll live for now. We can change this, you know, in the future. That goes there, and now we want to select you, I think. 460 clean water. I mean, it works, and we should be seeing better performance now. We are seeing 10 out of 10 performance. That is what we're after. That is exactly what we're after. That is pretty awesome. Okay, so it looks like this one pump can handle pretty much the entire demand for water for this entire area. So that is awesome. I'm really glad that that does indeed work. Sweet. Okay, well I guess we just solved a very important problem. Wow, that's actually not too bad. And not to mention, it does allow us to build. Oh, what is this? Water and stone. Well, that could be a way to get. That could be a way to get stone actually, if we used that fluid handler. That would be pretty awesome actually. What about setting up a stone plant down here? I think that would work actually. Can we make some landfills? If we could make like an artificial shoreline up here and then have, in fact, I suppose if we just started setting up offshore pumps in this area, then we could turn this into a stone processing area. That would be a great idea actually. There and there. Could we do one more? I don't think we could do one more, you know. I don't think we could. Okay, that's fine. And now we are going to need some more. Oh, we're going to need some more liquid handlers. Yeah, screw that. Okay, let's get back to what we were doing, whatever we were doing. I can't even remember now. What was it? Ah, yes, it was upgrading our existing belt so that the furnace area has more speed and awesomeness. Not quite, but you get the picture. Okay. Okay, so we're getting there. We're getting there. We need some gears. We need iron gears. Do we have anywhere that makes iron gears? Yeah, we do actually. We've got them on a belt over here. Okay, so cancel all this stuff, guys. Cancel. And let's get some gears. Sweet. Okay, awesome. So that should be enough belt to hopefully get us the whole way down the furnace section. And you know, speeding this up just means that the furnaces at the other end will actually get a chance. Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay, that's perfect. It's not going to solve all of our problems, but you know, it's you know, it's a good way of sort of alleviating some of them. Speed that up. Okay, awesome. I think it honestly is now a case of we need to get more and more iron ore or raw iron ore being produced. And I also want to set up sort of a mini furnace. A mini furnace? What am I talking about? A small electric furnace. I want to set a small electric furnace up just to make iron gears, because quite frankly we need more iron gears. That's not what I wanted to make. I did not want to make steel. And I did not want to place down a furnace. I wanted to place down an assembly machine. Come on, guys. Come on. In fact, we don't even need to make an assembly machine if we just buffer the iron gears up here. And when I say buffer, I mean we can steal some from the line. And I think the place to do that would be over here, probably. No, I didn't mean to click that. I suppose we'll do it over here. Yeah, we'll do it there. And let us make... We don't have any more chests. That's not good. Cancel the manufacturing of those things, because we need gears. Gears are important. Come on. There we go. A chest to be proud of. Sweet. And we will buffer you to 3 stacks, I think. And also we're going to make it a fast inserter, because the sooner we get the job done, as far as I'm concerned, the better. Great. We're doing okay for power, which is also pretty awesome. And our iron is still being gobbled up by this steel processing area, but that's okay. Okay, now let us try and make some more of these amazing, amazing electric mining drills. Okay, that's not too shabby. We can make a couple before we actually need iron gears, so that's, when I say a couple, I mean like 6 or 7, so that's not too shabby at all. We should probably be researching something, but I don't think we really need to worry about that, you know, yet. That's not really a big issue for us. However, placing down some more drills is, because we need more iron, so that's what we're going to do. Boom, 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 and one more up here for good measure. There. Awesome. Great. So everybody should be putting out iron ore at a tremendous pace, which is really, really nice. Sweet. Not entirely sure if this is the best system of doing things, but it seems to be working. It seems to be. When I say seems to be, to the best of my, you know, extensive Factorio knowledge, it seems to be working. I do sort of want to speed up a couple of the areas, though. I would like to do that. I would like to sort of just make this area a little bit faster, just to make sure it, you know, it's packing tighter. And not to mention the fact that we also do want to create a new line of iron ore, because, you know, we need to process more and more iron ore. We're not just going to stop with adding 6 or so, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, 6 or so new electric mining drills. We're going to go further than that. We also need to start thinking about setting up a railroad. That's also pretty important for us. Because obviously, you know, the more iron that we can ship in and produce, the better, as far as I'm concerned. Okay, we need to do that there, and of course we need a fast underground belt, because who doesn't like fast underground belt? And we'll start setting up to produce some more fast transport belt. Yeah, we do need more iron gear wheels. I know, I'm working on it as fast as I can, but hey ho. Okay, that goes there. Yeah, it looks like we're packing them in here to the absolute max. Is that still a bit of regular transport belt? If so, that may be slowing us down a little bit. Oops, I keep on pressing T rather than R to rotate. Okay, so this effectively means that we've got a saturated normal belt of iron. And that means we're servicing still roughly the same. Okay, so effectively we're gonna have to speed up this entire area if we want to fit more stuff on. Okay, which is, you know, annoying, but at the same time quite good. In fact, screw this. Why are we making these on our person? We need to go and pick them up from the area that we specifically buffered them. We specifically buffered these things for a reason, so it'd be daft if we didn't use them. Okay. More transport belt, please. Lots more. That's what we need. We need lots of transport belt. Okay, that goes there. And let us replace that. Okay, come on. We're almost there. We do need more though, I think, unfortunately. Okay. And you know, if we've sped the whole thing up, then that is great, because that means, you know, that we can fit more stuff on the belt here, which is, you know, fantastic. And you know, everybody will be happy. So it looks like we've got an almost saturated belt in this area. I sort of want to speed up the entire area. You know, I feel that that's probably a good idea. Okay, let's try and speed up as much as we can. We don't have that much belt on us at the moment, but you know, we can certainly give it a shot to try and speed up as much as we can. I think that'll do for now. We're getting an almost saturated belt, and I say almost because it's not quite good enough. But however, it looks like we're servicing pretty much all of the furnaces up here, which is really, really nice. How are we doing for power? Yeah, power is still not a problem. Everything is going remarkably well. Yeah, so obviously introducing the faster belt was the correct call, because we were already saturating one basic belt, and you know, that's not good enough, because we need to be producing way more iron than we currently are. So that's fine. I wonder if there's a better way of doing this system. I wonder if there is a better way of doing this system. Let's think about this. Basic close inserter. Let's try and build more of them. Let's give that a try. We do need more iron. Let's go and pick up some more iron. Okay. So we've currently got a buttload of furnaces. Let's place down some more. We're not actually going to use these ones just yet, but we will in the future, probably. Maybe, we'll see. Okay, that can go there like that. Okay, so now let's think about this. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 furnaces. Which means that 18 minus 5 is 13, so we've got actually 13 furnaces down this side and 13 furnaces down this side that are actually in use at the moment, which means that we could theoretically convert 7, give or take, well, 6 or 7 from long-armed basic inserters to close-arm basic inserters. So we'll do 6. Yeah, we'll do 6 on both sides, and that should mean that the belt is just a little bit freer. And it means that we can actually output more and more iron ore, which is, after all, exactly what we're after. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, okay, that's fine. That works. That's pretty much exactly what we're after. However, we're seeing a differing amount of stuff going onto the belt. How are we going to go about doing this? There must be a clever way of doing it, but not entirely sure what that clever way is going to be. No, there's not really a way that I can see to get it working. Let's think. It's annoying because this splitter is here and we can't just, you know, underground belt it to here and then, you know, move it around. That's kind of annoying, actually. Well, I guess what we could do, I guess what we really could do is turn this, and you'll see what I'm on about in a minute. You'll see what I'm on about. Okay, is this the long underground? No, that's the long underground belt. Okay, that long underground belt can go to there. This this splitter can go to hell there, and hopefully we can move it back to, like, here. And then... No, we're probably gonna have to move it back further. Okay, well, let's move it back further. Let's not despair. Let's give it a try, see what it works. You know, Factorio is all about brainstorming and whatever. And then that can go underground to there. Does that work? I'm not entirely sure if it does. Okay, so now we should be able to go... In fact, all we need to do is really bring this down here. That way, and that way. And now it should work, I think. Obviously, we need to connect this area of underground belt, but that's about it as far as I'm concerned. And we need more iron. Conveniently, there's more iron here. Awesome. Good. Let's connect this up right now so we don't have copper shortages throughout the factory. That would not be great. What we could do actually is we could line these up. That would be a nice touch. There we go. Sweet. Okay, so that actually works. Yeah, that actually works, which is nice. Okay, good. However, there is problems over here because this area does not seem to be so fast, which is you know, not great. That should speed things up, which means we should be getting an almost saturated belt. When I say an almost saturated belt, I want to say an absolutely saturated belt, but wishful thinking and all. Although it is looking pretty good. It's looking pretty consistently solid, which is really, really nice, which means that hopefully we should, fingers crossed, be getting more resources to this steel processing area, and perhaps get past the first two furnaces actually working at once. Yeah, it's actually not looking too shabby at all. It's not looking too shabby at all. And also, gears down here. Gears seem to be in a pretty short supply for whatever reason. Probably because we're buffering inserters over here. Although, saying that, we're doing a pretty good job of buffering them. Wow, we've got a lot of inserters backed up, which is really awesome. It means we can actually get rid of this little system that I made to get inserters off the line at one point. I can't remember when, but it was a while ago. So yeah, we've got way more iron coming in now, much more consistent iron coming in. Actually, do you know what we could do? We could just create two separate belts of iron. That may be a better option. I don't know actually. I don't know, 2 belts of iron. How would that work? 2 belts of iron might not work, but it might work. Well, let's give it a try right now. I mean, you know, what's the point in Factorio if you can't experiment once in a while? I'll take up that piece of track because we don't need it there anymore, and we'll connect it. Okay, so that works to a certain degree, I feel. We also don't need that piece of track there. There we go. Okay, so that should mean more consistent iron. Of course, we do run into the problem that we do have the steel belt there, which is something that we're going to have to worry about later. But I suppose we could just sort of merge these belts together, and that should mean an even more consistent flow of iron through. Fingers crossed, anyway. Okay, that works actually. That works relatively well. So if there's any gaps in this belt, then they're going to be filled in by this splitter here, which I think works better than merging the belts down here or doing a crazy loop-de-loop or whatever it is. Yeah, we seem to be getting a pretty consistent amount of iron, which is really, really nice actually. That's pretty awesome. That's pretty awesome. I'm really happy with the progress that we've made in today's episode. My name's been Open Potato. Thank you very, very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. I certainly have enjoyed doing it. So hopefully you'll tune in next time for some more Operation Mega Factory. Bye.